Welcome to our IEEE referencing tutorial, where we will provide you with a complete guide on how to accurately reference sources in IEEE style. IEEE referencing is commonly used in technical fields such as engineering, computer science, and information technology. It follows a numerical system, where sources are cited in the order they appear in the text. When citing a source in IEEE style, you will need to include a numerical superscript in the text, corresponding to the full citation in the reference list at the end of your document. In the reference list, sources are listed in numerical order and include all the necessary information for readers to locate the source themselves. This typically includes the author's name, title of the source, publication information, and page numbers. Remember to use abbreviations for common terms like ed. For editor, volume for volume, and pp. for page numbers. By following these guidelines, you will ensure that your research is properly credited and that your work meets the standards of academic integrity. Thanks for watching our IEEE referencing tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.